We just got here. We are about to be heading out with my buddies. We are going to a car meet that we're going to try to crash. Oh, my guy. Thank you. We're here with the boys. My buddy is Mustang GT. That thing is built, so it is a little fast. I'm going to close my visor because it's freaking cold. Oh, this is how dedicated I am to making this good content. Is I am out here in literally 40-degree weather getting my motovlogging content. So yeah, I'm keeping the visor closed. I'm chilly. Uh-oh, we got cops over there. We better be chill. He's tapping its car head. He knows. Oh my god, that's funny. I'm like so cold, I'm almost sweating. It's like shivering so hard. I'm like using so many muscles that my body's just like almost hot. Oh, this was a really freezing cold ride out here. But hopefully it was worth it. Hopefully there's some cool cars out. I'm gonna go through and see what's in here. Okay. Okay, we got another bike taking up the whole spot. Ooh, that's clean. That's clean. Not much else is here. That was a chilly ride, boys. Bro, I hope you didn't have anything in that back pocket of your backpack.
What, is it open?
Yeah.
Hey, what about these?
You're good. You're good. Oh, he might hit the curb on the other side, though. What's up, brother?
Is this your album?
Yes, sir.
It's pretty nice, man.
Hey, thanks, bro.
I like the all black cover.
Yeah.
No, well, maybe, I don't know. This one's nice, though. I know.
I appreciate that, man.
You wanna go see mine?
Is that what yours? Okay, I was wondering if that was yours over there. I saw the winglets as soon as we came in. I was like, that's a nice one.
I sat up there and I like left the restaurant. I like seen this. I was like, I parked over there, didn't I?
Yeah, well, I wanted to park next to you, but we weren't sure if, like, we were like, he might not want other people. Everywhere I go, I just want Mercedes. They're the best. What's up, guys? Hey, how you doing? Woo! Wow, Mustangs tonight. I'm gonna go check out this R1 real quick. Did you look at the R1 already?
Yeah.
I like the wings on it.
When I'm in a car, I don't have a car. I don't care about bikes.
No, I like it. Well, unfortunately, I thought there'd be some supercars here tonight. I was wrong. One of my buddies, none of these are like car meet cars. I think I'm going to the wrong area, which is weird because I really thought there would be like other cool cars here. Apparently, I was wrong. That's an, oh look, they're doing a photo shoot with a dog. That's cute. Alright, let's go find the boys. What up, bro? Oh shit.
What's up, Ethan?
How are you? What up, man? How you been? Good to see you.
I was gonna bring my little pit bike over here, but
You should have. We had a freezing cold ass ride over.
I bet. Yeah, I wasn't wearing shit.
I'm wearing 2 pairs of pants, bro. And there's another like jacket under this and a thermal under that.
I mean, we're right.
Like that's my
I
socks.
have a mini bike, a little 220.
Yeah, he sent me pictures of it this morning. I thought it was like a legit car meet.
It is.
No, I thought you're not hearing what I mean. I meant
You're thinking of like Carson Cup, that you're not gonna find that kind of stuff. 353, bro.
yeah. That was the first thing I saw when I walked up.
I only got the dent, the same spot I got my the little chip.
We're gonna take off, I think. There wasn't much here. I mean, we did a good little walk around. There's a Supra pulling up.
So they got pumpkins.
See, that's what I'm worried about though,
Pumpkins, yeah.
is that as soon as we leave, all the cool cars are gonna pull up. So,
So it's like at that point, yeah.
all right, let's get going. Yo, Mike.
And I have no muffler, but it's no resonator.
Hey,
Oh, well,
let's
yeah.
bounce.
All right.
You coming over?
Yeah.
Cool.
Come on. I like the
Well, we're headed out. All right, man.
Can I grab my gloves out of there?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Hey, everybody got to see you.
Yeah, good to see you,
I
bro.
was so curious. I was like, you want to?
Yeah,
I was like,
good seeing you, bro.
yeah, I want to know.
I like those gloves.
I was like,
Thanks, bro. They're armored. I need warmer gloves though, so I'm gonna go get some gauntlet gloves tomorrow.
With Chris and his 450 to pull up with.
Love you, buddy. You be safe.
Hey, you be safe.
I will be. Have a good night, bro. Well, this was a fun little meet. Hopefully, got some good footage. That Mike? Yeah, that's Mike. Oh, my. Oh, there they start going. Oh, those pops. He's throwing flames. He's throwing some flames, boy. He was shooting flames.
This thing with an exhaust?
Oh, dude, yeah, listen, it's...
It's still pretty loud. I don't need motors. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. No.
3,000 RPM red line?
Yeah.
It gets up there quick.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. We got the flames. We got the flames going. Good seeing you, man.
Good night. Ride safe.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now.
Where's it going? That way. I don't know what he's doing. It is super chilly, but thank God the bike is warm. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. That was a fun little car meet to go to. This is a good little squad. It's always a good little squad, but oh, that's sketchy. What a good little night. Super, super cold, but other than that, fun time, fun ride. Not the coolest car meet I've been to, but I mean, it was alright. It was a fine little event. You drive like garbage, bro! I smoked you, bro! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Mustang, dude, I'll wipe you out!
Literally! Man, we just ripped it through there. This boy's wild. This boy is wild. Gotta be careful through here. I don't want to get in trouble with the cops. Clearly we're on a closed course here in Mexico, obviously. Obviously, YouTube, closed course in Mexico. Well, anyway, thank you guys all so much for watching tonight's video. I hope you had a good time. I had a great time. The car meet, kinda lame, but other than that, good time tonight. Hanging out with my good friends, seeing some alright looking cars. I'm not gonna say any crazy looking cars. There was nothing really special, as you guys got to see, but and that's no shade on any of those cars. I mean, they're cool, they're just not like supercars or hypercars or the type of cars that, you know, I'd really like want to film, or actually the type of cars that I'd want to see in 40-degree weather and like go ride to see. But anyway, yeah, thank you guys all so much for watching tonight's video. Please don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, comment, you know, all the good stuff. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out and ride safe.